Huh? What the fuck was that?
Are you gonna say mama? Huh? Okay. Yay! Lifeguard kitty to the rescue! Oh, I'm fine, honey. I'm gonna get a better hold on her. There we go.
Stop.
She does not like that.
You better get used to this.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Oh, hang on. Jeez, you little corn biscuit.
For real. Imagine at home how hard it is.
Oh, it does not hurt. That does not. You're hurting the baby.
And this is how you know your cat is from hell. Hi, Bree. Good to see you too. You have a good nap? Yeah, I hope so.
I just have one question. Do you know what a pain in the ass is?
Yeah.
Are you a pain in the ass?
Yeah.
Speaking when I'm not there. Call them bitches scary cats. I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy.
Hello, hi guys, hello, hi. I drank mom's coffee again and mom's coffee is very, 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 very strong and I feel like I can conquer the world and catch all the squirrels.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.